Welcome to PHYS2120. Today we are going to talk about charges. What is a charge? A charge is a fundamental quantity just like mass, temperature, mole. The basic constituent of matter has all been assigned charges. For the electron, which orbits the nucleus, it has a negative charge. The proton, which is in the nucleus of the atom, has a positive charge. But the neutron, which is also in the nucleus of the atom, has a zero charge. Or we can say that it has a negative, it has no charge. The magnitude of the charge on an electron is given as the negative 1.60 times 10 to the power negative 19 coulomb. That of the proton is the absolute number of the magnitude of the electron. So that is positive 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 19 coulomb. But for the neutron, we've already said that it has no charge. So it has a charge of 0. Let's look at one more quantity. The mass of the basic constituent of matter. The nucleus, which houses the neutron and the proton. The proton has a mass of 1.67 times 10 to the power negative 27 kilogram. That same mass is assigned to the neutron. So the neutron and the proton have the same mass. But that of the electron is 9.1 times 10 to the power negative 31 kg. So the mass of the entire atom can be considered to be the mass of the nucleus. When you look at the mass of the electron, that is far, far, far smaller than the mass of the nucleus. The ratio of the mass of the nucleus to that of the electron is about 2,000, right? Charges are quantized. When we say charge is a quantized, the basic unit of a charge is the charge of the electron. So for a charge to be quantized, we mean that you cannot have a fraction of the charge. The charge is always an integral multiple of the basic unit, which is the charge on the electron. So we say that Q is N times E, where E represents the charge on an electron. For an object, any object that you can, whether metal or a pen, we always talk about the net charge, meaning that object will have certain number of charges, both electron and proton, or negative and positive. When you add them algebraically, what you get is what we call the net charge. So for example, if we have an object which has positive charge, net charge, it means that the number of charges on that object, the excess number of charges on that object, the positive outnumbers the number of electrons. If the object is negatively charged, it means that the number of electrons outnumbers the number of protons. So the net charge on an object is the addition or the summation of the positive and the negative charge that are on the object.